I need a refill. This is serious stuff.
No, I'm
Cheers, baby.
I'm good. No, thank you.
There you go.
No, she can't.
What do you mean?
Are you serious right now? Is that the reason you let him beat you in the quarter mile? That was a baby gift.
No, that's messed up.
What was it?
Baby gift, huh?
Leaving in, leaving in.
I have no idea what they're talking about. Toast.
Toast.
The most important thing in life will always be the people in this room. Right here. Right now. Salute, mi familia.